Had no need to fight tonight.
Calling you out, Frank.
We're snacking.
I know, we need some boost. That shit's hella loud. Is the intake staying on or what?
Yeah. Damn, about the.
Shit's fucking loud for start. Shit.
You guys going?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go.
Sniper right there.
You gonna drive it or what?
I just drove it.
Oh shit.
We're swinging it and shit.
For real?
Nah.
I was like, fuck. These tires must hook and book. Yeah, all around. That's crazy.
You'll be cool when.
No, it's a GT. It was a 2-valve, bro. I was like, oh, you can go all the way down.
He was racing too.
Real quick, as long as this is cool, then you're good. It was just kind of bogging. Yeah. We'll just make it to the next exit. We'll be cool. Let's just dip.
It's misfired. I got
Oh,
that.
is it misfire? I think it's misfiring, dude.
You don't have a code scanner?
I do. What does it smell like? Like,
Fuel?
yeah, just running rich or some
Cats. I used to tell that there's nothing wrong. Sounds better.
shit. Just rev it, maybe.
Clear it out?
Yeah. Hey. Maybe like slowly rev it and see if it misfires a little bit.
Put it on quiet.
Yeah, it's misfired.
That's your. Oh, so it is the tune.
It is?
Yeah, because your that's the mass airflow sensor. Needs the data log, I think, probably. You know. And then you have another code. So Mr. Jacob is in the Cobra. I'm in the 5.0. But I will say that this car drives super nice. It does it all for sure. Termi just needs some boost and we'll be okay. For being just NA, man, I mean, it's super fast. Have you let anyone else drive your car yet or not?
Now with the Mantic, just Oscar with GT500, that's it.
I like this car, it's super smooth. The thing that I do really like about this car is that it has an H-pipe, and the H-pipe is obviously more grunty. I definitely might do it in the future, but I really like the tone on the Cobra. I don't think I'd want to change it, so probably not. Here, try to fall back a little bit. Oh shit, go back. System is this, like a V something or what?
Airlift 3P.
Okay, so where do we go?
Click the very, very bottom.
Hold it down? Or
Click
just once?
And then hold on the second. So 1, 2, hold.
Oh. People have asked me, like, you know, daily drive a Cobra or a 5.0 because like they're kind of somewhat in the same price range, kind of. And I'd say that the 5.0 is ultimately going to be a better daily, but I mean, people still do it with the Cobras, I'd say.
Yeah.
But I mean, if you really want that extra comfort.
I'm gonna wrap it up right here. Okay, here's the synopsis between a Terminator and a 5.0. They're different.
Yeah, it's two different animals.
It's supposed to be the same. It's literally different. They're gonna give you totally different feels, and that's just what do you want? You know, I'd say just go test drive it.
Yeah.
Same thing with S197 or S550. It just makes a big difference about like what you're looking for. If you want smooth and comfortable while still being quick after a couple mods, then just the 5.0.
Yeah.
But if you want something that has legacy, it has lifetime of like styling, and also lots of raw power, because the torque in the low end is like insane.
Yeah.
I don't have that. You have to rev mine out.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's totally different. So it's just what do you like?
For sure, yeah.
But I mean, that kind of proved that they're pretty even in.
Yeah, no, they're even for a bolt-on Cobra and like a bolt-on 5.0. They're kind of around.
The way the power comes on is two different.
Oh yeah, this one's definitely top end, but this one was top end too. But I was super top end.
I shifted into fifth,
yeah,
and I just like.
Yeah, I get that question a lot, and Jacob kind of answered it for us. And I think you personally, you just gotta test drive it, like you said. You know,
test drive them.
Test drive these two. They're two different monsters. You know, if you want like a little bit of performance and luxury, go for a newer. Ultimately, a newer car is a newer car at the end of the day.
Yeah, the new technology.
Yeah.
Technology advances. I mean, look at iPhones. Look at an iPhone from 2003.
Yeah.
Look at an iPhone from 2013. Like,
yeah.
Big difference.
Except, let's just consider the Cobra is iPhone 1, but it has like internals of a new ass car.
Yeah, basically.
Kinda. Low key.
It's like forged.
Yeah, it just had the engine.
It's a solid gold iPhone.
Yeah. Because people won't really think about
Still
anything.
Has value, but it's just older technology.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
It's mainly you get this car for its looks and like the engine. The engine is really what people wanted. So with that, I'll probably wrap up the video. Give Mr. Jacob Ardoti a follow on YouTube. Subscribe to him. Yeah, I'll put in the description. Yep. And go follow his badass build on his 5.0. Is it done? Boost maybe in the future?
Boost.
Probably boost.
Boost and a different wheel setup for actually getting traction.
Yeah.
Once that happens, we're gonna be.
Yeah, you're gonna need some 15s or something like that, 17s or something.
Yeah.
So with that, we'll end the video right there, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.